Yo, yo. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, man. Let's go. Friday King. Let's go. Free game Friday, baby. Let's get it. Yes, sir. All right, man. We live everywhere. We live on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram up here. We live on TikTok down here. Yes, sir. Connection lit. Connection lit. All right, let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Completely disappointed. Never got my consult. What do you mean? Pretty face. What do you mean you never got your consult? No one called. What time was your consultation? What time was your consultation? 3? Let me see what's going on. Hold on. Let me pull it up right now. See what's going on. All right, while that's pulling up though, what's going on, y'all? I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the number one rated credit. Uh-oh. Is your name Cameron? Natalie. All right, hold on one second. Hold on, y'all. Let me check her out real quick. Let me get her right real quick. My first Jetta payment is June 20th. Should I pay it early? No, for the auto loans, you don't got to pay those early. You got to pay those early. Natalie, let's go. All right. Natalie. Hey, hold on. All right. Pretty face. Hold on. This is let me see. Let me show you what I'm looking at on my end. He said Miles Credit Karma is not real. Miles, I'm gonna get to that in a second, Miles. Hold on. I'm trying to help this person out real quick. So there's no Natalie. Hey, yeah, pretty face. DM me your last name real quick. Shoot me, DM me your last name so I can check the file. So I can check it. because Shiana doesn't do calls. Shiana and Anna, they're customer service. You know what I'm saying? They do text messages and they might call for customer service stuff, but you'll get an initial call from either Mitchell, um, Vincent, or Andrea. So that's why I found it a little weird. Yeah, Shiana was never supposed to call you. Yeah, shoot me a DM. Shoot me a DM. See what's going on. All right, hold on one second. Let me get back to this dude real quick. Let me get back to this dude real quick. All right, let's go. Look at so Miles. Okay. All right. So Miles said Credit Karma isn't real. If you have a 700 on Credit Karma, you really have a low 600s. Miles, so that means you need to open your eyes, bro. What does that say right there, Miles? That says Vantage score, right? Vantage score. So number one, none of the scores matter. Number one. Number two, the scores are generated, okay, generated from the credit report. All right. So when you went to the dealership, they didn't pull a Vantage score. They pulled a FICO 8 or auto FICO score. It's just calculated differently. All right. So saying something isn't right just because it was a different score, that doesn't make any sense. You know what I mean? If that makes sense, Miles. Can you guys help with late payments? Of course. Of course. Of course. We just got some late payments removed. Hold on. Let me show you. Yeah. Oh, shit. You can't see it. Hold on. Let me change this up. Here we go. So, yeah, you can see right here. So yeah, you can see right here. You see how it was being listed like that, unknown, unknown, 30 days, 60-day late. Then we got it updated, getting all those current. And then we got that 60-day late. We got it turned into a 30-day late. All right. So one of those late payments got removed. We got all the other stuff updated. So now we got to move on to round two. That was just one round too. All right, yeah. So late payments can for sure be updated. Angel, okay. Hold up, hold up. Angel Young. Okay, Angel, what's your name? Angel, what's your real name, Angel? So I can check it. Because if people aren't getting their calls, somebody about to get fired. somebody about to get somebody about to get in trouble. If people aren't getting their call. Hey, if somebody ain't getting their calls, they about to get in trouble. All right, Angel Augustina. Okay. Uh Angelette. Okay. Angelette, I see you right here. Hold on, let me see what's going on. Let me get her right real quick. Hold on. All right. Hey, Angel. So this is why you have to document everything. I'm not putting you on blast or nothing. Okay. I'm not putting you on blast. But when you say you didn't get a call, okay, this is why we have everything documented right here. All right. Okay. So Angel, Angel. So May 14th, you said you didn't receive a call. So that was the wrong day. Okay. Then right here. So you did get a call, Angel. You got a call right here, 8:55 a.m. You got two calls actually. Okay. We got another call right here. Okay. So when you say you didn't get a call, all right. When you say you didn't get a call, let's make sure let's make sure we being 100% you know what I'm saying, accurate. Okay. She was to call back and never did. Yeah, I see about three or four calls right here though. So, Angel, yeah, we can get you another call scheduled. But when you say you didn't receive a call, you should have said they were supposed to call me back. You know what I'm saying? So let's be truthful now, okay? Because you know I built this company up brick by brick, and perception is everything. You know what I'm saying? So we're live right now, and if you say you didn't get a call, that's damaging to my business. You know what I'm saying? Well, which wasn't completely true. Okay. So let's get it right. Let's go. All good. Quick fix. Let's get it right. Let's get it right. Let's go. I love it. I love it though. Let's get it. That's a quick fix. Let's go. That system that I'm using, it's a version of Go High Level. All right. So it's a version called Ninja. It's called Ninja Automations. Okay. And it's tweaked specifically for credit repair companies. All right. My homie Devin did it. So that's what that system is. So it's a version of Go High Level, but it's made specifically for credit repair companies. Okay, so that's how we make calls, communicate, do our automation. So all them automations and shit y'all be getting, I had to set all that stuff up on the back end. You know what I mean? So that's what we use for automations and stuff. It's a great system. Great system. He said, yeah, the automated message system says Shanna will call. Yeah. So Angel Shiana and and Anna, they're my customer service reps. So your contact either goes to Anna or Shiana, and they communicate with you, and then someone else calls though. They don't do the calling and stuff like that. They just do the customer service stuff. All right, let's go. If I deposit 200 for a secured credit card and do bad with the credit card, so they keep my 200. Yeah. So a secured card, you guys, a secured card is pretty much you're kind of paying to play a little bit, right? You're paying to play a little bit. So if you deposit 200, you know what I'm saying, and then you can't properly use that secured card correctly, you know what I'm saying? You're not ready for for an unsecured card yet, right? So a secured card is made for you to get your reps in, okay? Made for you to get your reps in. Build your experience up, okay? Let's go. That's good though. That's good. That's good. Let's go. Just paid my 199 today. Let's get it. Is the American Express Gold Card worth it? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. It's definitely worth it. Anna is the best. Let's go. She said Anna is great. Yeah, she is, man. She is. I need what my credit score went down 118. I mean, do they keep the deposit? Yeah. Yeah. That report of the week is crazy. That's facts. Let's go. He said, Laverne Wheeler, I need with my credit score went down 118. Wait. I need with my credit score went down 118. Okay, so Laverne, there's only a couple reasons that will knock your score down that far, Laverne. So that's either a late payment, or your utilization went up. I'm guessing it's your utilization, or it could be a combination of things. It could have been your utilization went up and a new charge off hit, or a new collection hit, or a late payment and your utilization. Right? It can be a combination of things. Okay. Jade, appreciate it. What's the deal with clients don't want to pay their credit monitoring service to keep progress going? Oh man. Oh man. Naquan, bro. So this is one of the things you're gonna have to you're gonna have to overcome, bro. So you have to explain to the clients, okay? You have to explain to the clients that that's like I'm trying to get a good analogy. I'm trying to get a good analogy. Uh uh that's like going to the doctor, right? Right? When you go to the doctor, right? What's the first thing they do? Right? If you broke your leg, they gonna give you an x-ray. You know what I'm saying? If you pulled a muscle, they're gonna give you an MRI. That's what that credit report is like, that x-ray or that MRI. We need to see what's going on, right? We need to see what the fuck is going on, right? So if you want continuous help, they have to keep the credit monitoring going. You know, so I do remember those days though. I remember clients they used to fight back, you know, a lot. It's a little, it was it was a little tough. It was a little tough. Okay. But you'll get over it though, bro. You just have to explain to them in the beginning, right? You gotta explain to them to beginning in the beginning before they sign up how crucial credit monitoring is. Because if they don't keep the credit monitoring, how are you supposed to check their report every month? You know what I mean? It's limited, but she only received my info. That's it. Okay. Giving credit advice at 7:15 is crazy. This dude's a troll. So let me block him. Yeah. I did leave a message with the receptionist. Okay. Yeah, Angel, we'll get it figured out. We'll get it right. It's quick fix. Quick fix. We'll get it right. But I'm just saying, like when you come on a live platform and say, you know, the optics could look really bad, right? If you just say, "Hey, I never got my call," that's not when it's not completely true. You know what I'm saying? So we'll get it right though. We'll get it right. You can't bake a cake without the oven. Let's go. What's the difference between TransUnion and Equifax? The difference between TransUnion and Equifax is they're just two different companies. Okay, two different companies that's reporting your information. I know they say credit bureaus, but they're not really bureaus. It's not like the uh, Federal Bureau of Investigation. It's not like the FBI. They're not the CFPB, right? They they just want to be perceived as more important than what they are. They're literally just companies that report your information. That's it. Like, you know, said that, but they want they want people to be scared of them. Man, we ain't scared of y'all. We ain't scared of y'all. One guy changed his password. I'm going to send them to Lewis. Oh no, bro. I've been through it all, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I won't. I'll hit you up after this, Naquan. I don't want to tell all the tea on live. You know what I'm saying? I'll hit you up after this. Larry, my credit is stuck at 600 and won't move. Larry, so whenever your score is stagnant, okay, whenever your score is stagnant, something's going on with your report. So that can be, you know, you don't have enough open accounts, right? Your utilization can be stuck, or if your cards are maxed out, or there's something going on. It's a quick fix though. Quick fix. So Larry, if you don't have at least 5 primary accounts, you know, a couple credit cards, maybe even a secured card in there, like a good credit mix, just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. All right, starter. It's just a Google Doc. I got some more easy accounts on there for you, bro. But when your score is stagnant, it's probably due to not enough open accounts, or your utilization is either maxed out or it's not moving. Most likely, okay. I just need a hard inquiry that I did not give permission to. Bulldog will. Bulldog will. If you want to dispute that inquiry yourself, you can do it right now, bro. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Freebies. King Credit Freebies. You click that, and then my how-to guides are inside of there. Go run it up, bro. It's all free. I give you the script to say to the bureaus, what to say to them. I give you a all the numbers a call. I give you an inquiry removal letter. It's all in there for free, bro. Go run it up. I'm 21 to 783 about to my mom's house for the secondary user. Nice. I want an 800. Let's go. Rick, let's get it. So how accurate is FICO? So you guys, it's not about okay. Let me try to put this in a way that people can easily understand. Um, all the scores are accurate. Okay. All the scores are accurate. So this Vantage score, these scores are accurate for a Vantage score. Okay. A FICO 8 score, that's accurate for a FICO 8 score, right? So it all depends on which scoring model the lender's using, right? So like when you go get a house, they might use a FICO 2, you know what I'm saying? But when you go get a car, they might use that FICO auto score, you know what I'm saying? Or they might use a FICO 8, you know what I'm saying? So it's just generated differently. The way it's calculated is different. Okay. So that's why I'm trying to start this new movement, man, where we need to learn how to read our credit reports, right? Our credit reports, that's the important thing because all the scores are generated from the report. So once you fix your report, once you build a good credit profile, all your scores will be good. Okay. All your scores will be good. All right, my bad. Let me check Instagram real quick. Okay, you're a real person now. I feel safe. The last person I was working with fixed my credit, put identity fraud on my report, and now I can't move. Yeah, that's work. Beautiful tie. That's work. That's work. We got to get that we got to get that identity theft off of that fraud alert off your reports. Yeah, we got to get that shit off of there immediately. Okay. All right, we back. We back. We back. TikTok, where we at? CFPB is the real bureau. Facts. How we almost have the same score when I'm 19. You guys, these are all client results. So in FNH, I'm guessing that's an acronym of some sort. You're 19, so I'm gonna let you slide. Okay, I'm gonna let you slide. Your frontal cortex, you know what I'm saying? Your frontal lobe ain't all the way developed yet, right? So I'm gonna let you slide on this one. Okay, let's get it. Is this pre-recorded? No, I'm just answering everybody's questions. That's it. Can you remove an account that has been closed by the bank? The account still has a due balance. Yeah, so that's a charge off. Yeah, we dispute charge offs all the time. How many credit cards is too much? I've seen people with 30, 40, 50 credit cards, y'all. Crazy work. So it all comes down to how much debt you can handle, right? How responsible are you? That's what it all comes down to. But in the beginning, you only need about two two credit cards and two installment loans in the beginning. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go with you then. Let's get it. Let's get it. Benji's on IG too. I'm weak. Hey, I was on another person's. You'll speak to the most knowledgeable agent. That would be me. Kizzy, Kizzy. Hey, I was on another person's live and they were speaking about CPNs. What's your thought on them? They're illegal. CPNs are illegal. It don't matter what that person, what they're trying to say, what it doesn't matter what they're trying to say. It's fraud. It's fraud. So, all right, let me correct myself. I'm sorry. Let me correct myself. We're allowed to hide our social. Okay, we're allowed to do that. We're 100% allowed to do that. Where it becomes fraud is once you use that CPN or whatever number, what the computer generated number, credit privacy number, whatever you want to call it. All right. Once you use a different number that wasn't given to you by the US government, okay? That wasn't given to you by the US who controls this whole shit, it's fraud. All right. Once you use it in a credit transaction, it's fraud. Okay. And Kizzy, I'm gonna show you something right here. Hold on. I'm gonna show you something right here. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. Hold on. right? So here's your proof right here. It only takes one example. Okay. It only takes one example. You see that? Oklahoma woman receives 1 year in prison for the use of credit privacy numbers. Okay. It only takes one example. And this isn't the only one. This was just the first one when I searched it. This was the first one that popped up. There's thousands of cases just like this. Okay. Thousands of cases just like this. So if you can go to jail, obviously, right? But the people that's selling you the CPN, they're not going to tell you that. Okay. They're trying to get their quick fix. They're trying to get their quick dollars, which is whatever. Which was whatever. Like if this okay, if the scammer, okay, if the person selling you a CPN, if they said, "Hey, look, I'm gonna tell you the truth, okay? This number, this credit privacy number is fraud. All right. If you don't use it how I tell you to use it, you can go to jail. Okay. Are you okay with that? Boom. If you say yes, cool. That's on you now, right? If the scammer is just truthful, it'd be good to go. But the thing is, these scammers ain't truthful. Then they tell you to pay them on Cash App. Come on, man. What we doing? A lot of these folks finding out too late not to use those CPNs. Facts. Facts. So just be careful. Okay. Just be careful. All right, let me scroll back up. Jordan, he said, not gonna lie, it's pretty good you're doing live. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. He said, lame ass. Oh man, let me get him out of here. Let me get him out of here. Car credit card and mortgage credit are different. Rick, Rick. So your car and your mortgage, those are installment loans. Your credit card and secured cards, those are revolving credit. So yeah, they are a little bit different. They are a little bit different. Thanks for mentioning that. How to go to 850 from 810, bro? There's no point. There's no point. Whatever you're gonna get approved for, whatever you want with that 810, the same as you will with that 850. There's no point. Like, just keep doing what you're doing, bro. That's a that's a pointless cause. They offering 29.4 APR. Okay. So let's go over this real quick, right? Talking about the APR. So I stopped caring about the APR and all that stuff on my credit cards because people only care about that if you're going to have large balances on your you know what I'm saying, on your accounts, right? If you only have $10 reporting by that, you know what I'm saying, by that statement date, 29 point, who cares? You know what I'm saying? So that's what we need to get to. We shouldn't even care about the APR on our credit cards. For what? We don't have large balance. We're not letting balances report. You know what I mean? So honestly, it shouldn't even matter. Some of my accounts have disappeared from my reports, but they still send me a request to pay. Yeah, so I'm probably the collections. Yeah, well, once you get it, once they can't validate that debt and they remove it from your credit report, bro, you're not liable anymore. It's over, right? Keyword: if they can't validate it, okay, they can't validate it. How can I read a dispute letter to collections to remove it from my credit report? Here we go. A Montero. So, I already have some written for you, bro. I already have them all written for you. You don't even have to do no work, no thinking. I got it all done for you. Hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Bundle. All right, King Credit Bundle. That's going to have a guide for literally inquiries, late payments, collections, charge offs, bankruptcies, repos, closed accounts, and paid collections. All right, has a guide for all those, and it has the letters to go with it. All right, so hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle, and then use code May 24 at checkout. Okay. Absolutely no CPNs. No, no CPNs over here. What is your credit score? Right now, I'm at like a 780 something right now. Haven't checked in a couple weeks. Haven't checked in a couple. So once your credit gets to a certain point, you got everything on auto pay to pay off this last statement balance. You don't have to be even worried about checking your. You don't have to check all that shit. I'm not applying for nothing right now. Okay, I'm just planning my next attack right now. Planning that next attack, baby. What? Why would a credit score fall 30 points in a month? Sully. So a credit score can drop 30 points. That's easy. Utilization, right? So if you went from 20% to 35%, your score can drop 30 points. That's easy. You know what I'm saying? So but that can be fixed pretty easily too. Just pay the balances back down, and then when it reports, your score go back up. All right. So are they suppressed by any chance? Heard someone say they come back. So here's the thing, right? If you're disputing, okay, let me say that. I'm trying to say it in a way that's not disrespectful to other people that's trying to fix credit. Um, there's a lot of people just following and regurgitating information. Okay, a lot of these people they're not registered, they're not bonded, they don't have no high risk merchant processor, they don't read. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. And another thing is a lot of people when they dispute, they're just claiming identity theft, right? So this is what happened when you claim identity theft. Okay, and investigations triggers, right? Boom, an investigation triggers. Once that investigation triggers, the accounts are suppressed, right? So to you, it looks like, oh shit, this person's fixing my credit, but they're not fixing shit. The accounts are just suppressed. So then once they do the investigation and they find out that those are actually your accounts, those accounts all pop back up. And then number two, it makes it really, really, really difficult for those to get removed now. Okay. So if someone disputed for you, then all the items came back. All they did was claim identity theft or say we're in litigation, or it's just a cheating way to do it. Right? We can get all this stuff off legally. We can do everything the right way. All right. It takes a little bit longer, but it's better. Right? Do it right the first time, so you don't ever have to come back. Okay. Sending goodwill letters. They keep saying, according to FCRA, they can't remove the late payment. All right. So iPhone 824. If you want the late payment sauce, bro, the same sauce that we use, hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says King Credit Bundle. The late payment stuff is in there. So a goodwill letter, that's just the first, that's literally the first thing, right? There's literally 8, 9, 10 other methods to get that late payment removed. Okay. So the easiest one is a lot of companies report the late payment too quick. Okay, and we can catch them. So let's say let's say your payment was due, on the first, right? You missed it, of course. And then on the 25th, your credit report updates and the late payments on there already, right? We catch a lot of people like that. We get a lot of late payments removed that way. And then the second way is they're supposed to notify you, right? They're supposed to notify you at least 20 days before your next due date. You know what I'm saying? So we catch them like that too. So there's different ways to skin a cat, man. There's different ways to skin a cat. But if you want to do the goodwill adjustment, you want to do that. That doesn't really work that good for like mortgage payments. But it does. It still kind of works for credit card late payments for 30-day lates. 60, 90-day lates, probably not. But 30-day late, you can try it out. And then for student loans too. All right. Those student loans, you can call and try to get that removed. But if you want to do it the right way, bro, hit the link in the bio, get that King credit bundle. If you want us to do it, just DM me the word King. All right, DM me the word King. After this live, I'll reach out to you. Oh shit, hold on. I was supposed to check something. 6 a.m. At 6 a.m. Hey, pretty face, pretty face. I need your last name. You just shot me a DM. I need your last name. Which so I can check the CRM and see what's going on. All right. Let's go. Sorry if you mentioned it before. Can you tell me about the starter account service? Yeah, Anthony. So the starter accounts, that's not really a service. It's just something that I typed up. Just put that little program together. It's all free. You literally just hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says starter accounts. Those are just some easy accounts to get approved for to build up that credit profile. Right. Over the years, you can find some easy accounts. Right. So like Kovo, like that Kovo, for example, you're guaranteed to get approved. Oh, your last name is King. Oh, oh, I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Oh shit, I'm weak. Sorry. Uh, but yeah, the starter accounts like Kovo, you're guaranteed to get approved. It reports fast. It counts as an installment loan, right? So like easy accounts like that, like the extra card, right? The extra card, it's a revolving account, right? So it looks like a credit card. That's going to help with your credit mix too. You're guaranteed to get approved, and there's no hard anchor either for extra card or Kovo, right? So that's why I like starting with those two accounts because someone can get two primary accounts with no hard inquiries. Okay, so that's why I like that Kovo and extra card to start off, then move up from there. Then people do FTC reports and see if people can play faithfully just to have people messed up, bro. Hey, bro, don't get me started, man. Don't get me started, bro. I got people in my mentorship that they've been fixing credit longer than me, right? So I've been fixing credit for about 5 years. Okay, I got people that's been in the game for 10, 15 years, and they thought that was the right way to do it, right? They literally thought that filing an FTC report and just doing a CFPB complaint is the way to go. All right, it's crazy. Okay, it's crazy. Now, do CFPB complaints work? Yeah, they work. But after you've done some work, right? The CFPB literally asks you. It says, "Have you disputed with these credit bureaus or have you disputed with these companies? Yes or no?" Okay. Why do you think they're asking you that? Okay, because someone that really wants to get something off their report, they're going to dispute it with the company directly first. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna put some legwork in. All right. So yeah, man. He said I want wiener schnitzels. Bro, Big Steve, bro. Hey, bro, the glizzy talk has to stop. Bro, it has to stop. Please. Is it possible to call a credit bureau to dispute? Kelvin, yeah. You can call to dispute, but you only want to update personal information and dispute inquiries. You're not going to call and dispute a bankruptcy. No, that's not how you want to do it. All right. But personal info and inquiries, you definitely want to call. Okay. They did that to me, filed identity theft. Hope those accounts don't reappear. Yeah, they're going to reappear for sure. They're going to reappear for sure. And then you can come on over to me. come on over to come on over to death row, bro. Come on over to death row on that big shug. Removing rental collections, I cannot pay it off and need to move in somewhere else by August. So rental collections, those are handled differently too, right? Those are handled differently too because what I found out over the years is even if you get a rental collection, if it's a eviction, broken lease, or anything like that, even if you get it removed from your credit report, you're still going to have to deal with it with the property manager or the landlord. Okay, you're still going to have to deal with it, right? So getting it removed from your credit report is one thing, and then avoiding legal action is a completely different thing. Okay, well, we can help you with both. We can definitely help you with both, but it's definitely a two pronged process, right? Two pronged process. And if you're dealing with an eviction, saying it's not mine or whatever it is, it doesn't work because the property manager or landlord, when they send it to collections, they send them all the documentation the collection agency needs to collect from you. All right, so that's why those are a little bit. Those are kind of tough to get removed. Okay, those take some good work. Naquan told me he went there earlier and said it was good. Bruh, stop. I'm already with you 30 days in, homie. Oh, let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Can you dispute while doing national debt relief? Oh man. All right, let me change this background. I'm tired of this CPN shit. Let's put the report of the week up, man. Let's put some positivity up in this bit. Let's get some positivity going. Let's go. All right. Can you dispute while and doing national debt relief? So um pretty much no. Pretty much because what national debt relief, what they make you do is they make you default. Okay. They make you default on your accounts. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro. The debt relief programs, the way they got it, the way they do it now these days is not the right way to do it, man. You can do your own debt relief. You can literally do your own. You can do what they're going to do, but way better, way better. Okay, I'll tell you in a second. Hold on, let me get to this next question. Do you talk to the agencies for us? Yeah, yeah, we do all the work, bro. Yeah, we do all the work. So it's completely hands off, man. So look at this. This how the process goes. And anybody, you can schedule a consultation at any time. Hit the link in my bio, schedule a call. You can text the word TikTok to the number in my profile, or you can DM me the word King. Either way works for me. All right. So here's how it works. Boom, you schedule your call. Okay, you schedule your consultation. You get your credit report. You send it over to us. We give you a call on the time and day that you scheduled. We break down your credit report for you. We answer all your questions, let you know what plan you qualify for. Then, if you accept it, we send you the onboarding to get started that same day. Right. So during that process, we do all the disputing, all the legwork. Only thing we ask from our clients is to send us anything they receive in the mail, like take a picture of it and send it over in their client portal. Um, Work on their balances, right? If they have high utilization, right? If you start with us and you have a 90% utilization, right? By the time you're done, that utilization better be down at least to 30%. You know what I'm saying? You got to be working on your end too. And then if you don't have enough open accounts, let's say you got 10 negative accounts, but only two positive accounts. We want to get you up to 4 or 5 or 6 positive accounts to help with that payment history while we're disputing all the negative accounts too. And you're getting educated throughout the process too. So yeah, man, it's just an overall good, just an overall good program to be in, man. And it doesn't break the bank. Okay, I could, and I've been thinking about it. Hey, I've been thinking about raising these prices, man. Because hey, we too affordable, bro. We too affordable, right? Somebody booked a consultation and said, "Bro, ain't no way y'all do all this. Y'all do all this for $100. Ain't no way." I said, "Yeah, bro, we doing all this for 100, bro." He's like, "Damn, bro, sign me up." He only had like 2 or 3 inquiries, but he said, I'm just trying to be in the program, bro. I need to learn something." I was like, "God damn, bro, that's crazy." But yeah, I'm thinking about raising the standard plan and the gold plan. I've been thinking about raising those up, man. I highly recommend this. Let's go. Hey, look it. He said I highly recommend it. Let's go. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Shut your ass. Hey, look at he said hot dog. Oh shit, I'm new to this. What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the live. Welcome. Bro, it's time to raise the prices. Facts, bro. It is. Do you do one-on-ones to learn how to do this? Um, I have a one-on-one option, right? Where I kind of just tell you how to dispute on your own. But I have 2 webinars that's free. The webinars, we go over credit reports, how to dispute, what to look for, all that shit. It's all free, bro. You just got to go run it up. It's a little bit of work. Hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Freebies. All that stuff's in there. The webinar, the how-to guides, all that shit. Go run it up. I think we selling ourselves short when it comes to pricing. Facts, bro. Facts. Don't mess with my price because I'm loving the service. Let's go. Let's go. What's included with the 100 and how long does it take? So you should start to see some changes within that first 35 days. And then clients usually stay with us 3 to 6 months, just depending on what's on your report. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just kind of depends on your report, man. If you got a couple inquiries and a charge off, that should be pretty quick. But if you got bankruptcies and repos and shit, that's gonna be it's gonna be a little it's gonna be some time. All right. But if you're okay, let's say you're 40 years old, right? Let's say you had bad credit since you were 20. Okay. So 20 years of bad credit, right? You sign up with us. You can't give us 3 to 6 months. You had bad credit for 20 years. You can't, you can't, I can't get 3 months. God damn. Hey, what's going on? Thank you. What exactly do you do? Wait, what you say? What exactly do you do? So we find inaccurate and negative information on your credit report and we dispute it legally. That's it. We educate you along the way. But yeah, that's the basics of what we do. There's a lot more that goes into it, but that's pretty much what we do. Okay, and I say legally, okay, because there's scamming way to do it. There's scamming ways to do this too, right? That's what 95% of people do because they think they're not doing any harm. Okay, so when these people are filing, okay, number one, the people that are doing it the fraudulent way, they were taught to do that by someone else. Okay, number one. So they're kind of just following the leader, right? And number two, they don't think it's that bad. You know what I'm saying? They think, oh, filing identity theft, it's all good. Filing a police report is all good, right? Little do they know, bro, that's fraud. Filing a fake police report is fraud, bro. That's that's not okay. Oh shit, bro. It gets wicked out here, man. It gets wicked. Is Experian usually unwilling to help at all on phone with personal info or inquiries? So with Experian, I found that you have to call them a couple times, and then you have to get it escalated to a manager or department head or something like that. Okay, same price, please. I have people signing up, pimping. Oh, bro, become an affiliate, right? So we can track everything. So we get $50 per referral, right? Per referral. I literally just paid out. Hold on, let me see if I can post it on here. Let me see if I can post it, bro. So look at you see this right here? You see that? Cash App, King Credit, 900. I literally just paid out. What day was that? That was what, 2 days ago? I just paid out $900 in affiliate bonuses. Right, just paid out 900 in affiliate bonuses, bro. So it's $50 a referral. We got people making some good extra money. All they do is repost my shit. That's it. tell them Steve sent you. That's it, right? it's that easy. So if y'all want to become an affiliate, man, it's super easy. Just hit the link in the bio, scroll down. It says become a King Credit affiliate. You click it, you get your own link and everything. All right, let's go. Okay, 3 to 6 is good. 1 year is too much. Yeah, 1 year is kind of a lot. Kind of a lot. But again, we've had okay, look, like I'm transparent as hell, man. That's why people like signing up, with King Credit Services because I'm transparent and I tell it how it is, bro. It depends what's on your report, man. It depends on what's on your report, bro. So, like, I had a client, bro. He had like it wasn't three. Okay, it was two bankruptcies and like a repo on there, hella collections, hella late payments, bro. First round, we get one of the bankruptcies removed. That's not good enough. Next round, we get a repo removed and 2 charge-offs. That's not good enough, right? So some people you just can't please, bro. But it just depends on the report. Like if you got bankruptcies and stuff, if it goes past 6 months, it is what it is because these are not little accounts like evictions. These aren't some little ass rinky dinky ass inquiries. You know what I'm saying? This is a damn eviction. You got evicted. You broke your lease, bro. Like we trying to do our best. You know what I'm saying? So it just depends on the accounts. Depends on the report. Can hard pull be removed from your credit? Yeah, yeah. Hard inquiries will only dispute inquiries not attached to open accounts. So that means that if you applied for it and you got the account, don't dispute that inquiry. But if you applied for it and you didn't get it, you can go ahead and dispute that. I'm in Mexico watching my guy. Let's go. Let's go. He said he in Mexico. So I have to print the disputes and send them to the bureaus. No, made man. I never said that, bro. For inquiries, you're calling. You're calling for the inquiries, bro. You're calling. So made man, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Freebies, right? It says freebies. You click that. I got all my guides and all kind of stuff in there. Like the how-to guides is going to tell you exactly how to dispute the inquiries. Like it gives you a script and all the numbers are called and everything too. All right. How to settle collections. That's a great question. Let me see. So to settle a collection, you call them, negotiate a price, and tell them, hey, after I pay this, are you going to agree to remove it? Right? You want to get a pay for delete agreements first. And then after that, you pay, send them the money, get your receipt. It'll be gone in 30 to 60 days, 30 to 45 days, probably. You know what I'm saying? So it's easy to settle collections. Vacation got me feeling good. Self boosted me 30 points, and I was ready to hit a dealership. Hey, see, at least you being honest with me, bro. I got people that actually do that. I got people that had a girl who her credit score went up probably like 60 points. So she went from like a 610 to a 670. Bro, she went and tried to get a car. What the fuck you trying to get a car for? Oh man, bro. Oh man. I dispute a collection. They mark it as payment received, but still in my credit report. How do I delete it? So you got to dispute it, right? So you got to dispute the paid collection. Um, if you need to know how to do that, just hit the link in the bio, get that King Credit Bundle. It's super affordable. I made it that way so everybody can get it. And it has the step-by-step guides. It has the letters to go with it. Literally, I've done all the legwork for you. You just follow the steps. They be having a kitchen sink on their credit report, bruh. They be having all kind of shit on there. I dispute a collection and they mark. I already said that. Mine is just increase from the dealership. Oh, bro, yeah, you can call. Do that stuff yourself, bro. Like no person's gonna tell you that. What credit repair company is gonna tell you, hey, just use my guides and do that shit yourself? Just leave your boy a good review, bro. After you get him removed. Bro, that's wild. Some folks they never satisfy. It's crazy. I dispute a collection, they mark it. Bro, he's asking the same thing. Got approved for an Amex card. Ooh, Melissa, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Have collection agencies re-aged on reneged on the pay for delete agreement. No, because it's an agreement. Right. They can't what they gonna say? That wasn't me. That was you. No, I really appreciate you putting me on with the self, bro. Let's go. How can I remove a credit card that has been closed by the bank with the remaining balance? That's a charge off. A charge off. So, Quay, hit the link in my bio, scroll down. It says King Credit Bundle. There's a guide that says how to remove charge offs. You follow it step by step. The bundle comes with all the letters that go with each step. Simple, bro. Simple. Let's go. And they put 7 inquiries on their report. That's facts. I heard the original creditor files a life insurance policy prior to a charge off and pay a life insurance policy. So for life insurance, there has to be life, right? There has to be something to insure. Okay, so I'm not sure about that, but the original creditor, so a charge off just means like just think of write off, right? So a charge off means that they couldn't collect the debt from you, so they wrote it off. They wrote it off as a loss. That's what a charge off means, right? So where we catch them at a lot of times too, they'll say it's charged off, but they never send a 1099-C form, or they're still trying to collect the full debt from you, like little stuff like that, right? So that's where we can catch them, and they can get in trouble, that way. Can I use rent reporters? Yeah, yeah. Rent reporters is a good one. So hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says starter accounts. I got Kovo in there, extra card, rent reporters, a secured card in there, credit strong. We got discover it. We got Capital One Platinum in there, right? So I break it all down for you. I want to call and talk to the credit bureau, but I don't know what to say. I'm the GOAT. Bro, didn't I just say my guides come with the script? Come on now. Listen. Listen. He said, let us not listen. Let's go. One of my cards raised my yearly rate from $80 a year to keep the card to 150 a year to keep it dropping. Ray. So yeah, you can call and negotiate that, bro. Yeah, call and negotiate and tell them, hey, this 150 a year, this ain't working. I can't do 150 a year, but I can do the 80, right? Call them and negotiate. Or you want some perks, right? So what is that? $70. So they raise your score $70. So you need to get some some Uber credits, some bump up your cash back percentage from 1% to 3%, right? You guys, all this shit is negotiable. Yeah, you can negotiate all this stuff. You can negotiate your interest rate. You can negotiate your APR. You can negotiate all this stuff. Yeah. Hot dog, throw them up, y'all. Support your favorite cred mod. Bro, stop it. Role play, what'd you say to a dealership if you had an inquiry? Nah, I can't because TikTok gonna kick me off, bro. You know how TikTok will be doing me, bro. I can't even say what I want to say. I had cards charged off, but paid them off. Now they still on my credit that's closed. Yeah, Shalia. So honestly, a paid account is easier to get removed than just a regular charge off. Honestly, so you can still go back and dispute that account. So the guides, there's one of the guides that says a paid account, right? How to dispute a paid account. You can use that. Okay, I've tried calling to remove inquiries, doesn't always work. Yeah, you gotta. It's not. Sometimes it's not one and done. Sometimes you got to call a couple times. All right, listen more in 2024. Oh shit. If I drop the card, will it affect my credit bad? Yeah, so especially if that's like your first card or your oldest card, anytime you close an account or you pay off a loan or anything like that, your score drops because when you pay off that account or close an account, you lose the age associated with that account. So your score is going to drop. All right. So if that's your first card, bro, your score is going to plummet. Okay. So to keep that in mind, keep that in mind. That's why I tell people. So let me put this up. Hold on. So like this right here, right? So yeah, we got these student loans removed, but but um these student loans were closed, transferred, dismissed, like those type of student loans. We're not disputing your open student loans, right? So people always trying to get their open student loans removed, but they're not thinking about the consequences. Okay, for a lot of people, their student loans are their oldest accounts, right? So you're going to remove an account you had for 10 years, right? Like what we doing? Okay, they're not thinking about that. They're just thinking about their DTI. Okay, so I called Experian 8 times now. I want to cry. TransUnion, we're so nice. Hey, see, hold on. Not your average worker, bro. Usually it's Equifax and TransUnion be tripping, right? So you got lucky. Usually Experian is nice. Okay. I owe 16 G's on a separate. Okay, hold on. Nina, Nina, let me give you my attention, Nina. Let me see what's going on. I owe 16 G's on 3 separate cards at 28%. Oh, would balance transfers help or hurt my credit? So if you get approved for it, that'll help you out, right? That'll help you out. Not your credit, it'll help your pockets though. So if you get approved for a 0% interest card for 12 months, you can transfer that 16 G's to that card, right? That's 0% interest. You know what I'm saying? So it was just 16 G's instead of, you know, the 16 G's times that 30% interest rate. You know what I'm saying? So you want to help your pockets. But it might drop your credit score in the short term because anytime you get approved for a new account, once it hits your report, your average credit age drops a little bit too. So you got to keep that in mind. But it's worth it though. It's definitely worth it. Trucker Pretty Yazane just signed up for a consultation. Let's go. Let's go. You guys can just DM me the word king if you want a consultation, or you can also hit the link in the bio, schedule a call, or you can text the word TikTok to the number in my profile. Dispute accuracy, not ownership. Benji is learning. Hey, look at Benji learning. My man. Let's go. Benji trying to take my job. He's trying to take my shit. Viewer of the week. Let's go. Does that come with the Drake video? Oh, no. Nah. Oh, shit. All right, let me close Facebook and Instagram real quick. All right, y'all. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. Yeah, y'all have a good night, man. TikTok, we still lit though. Hold up. TikTok, we still lit. Hold on.